Welcome to this step-by-step Farshi Salwar tutorial. Let's get started with the pattern. You will have two main pieces for the shalwar. One side is for front where the pleats are visible and the other is the back. Place both pieces right sides facing each other, aligning front with front and back with back. Start by sewing the crotch area. Once done, mark the mid-center point of the shalwar. Fold this shalwar by holding the midpoint and touching it to the pleat marking. This creates the largest side pleat, measuring around 2.5 inches. Continue creating pleats on the front, all facing towards the crotch. Repeat the same pleating process for the other side. Now it's time to attach the belt to the shalwar. Start by placing the two belt pieces right sides together and sew along both side seams to form one continuous waistband. Once sewn, turn the belt right side out and press it neatly. Now take the side seam of the belt and align it with the mid-crotch seam of the shalwar. This helps ensure the belt sits evenly. Then mark the left and right side points of the belt to match with the sides of the shalwar. Next, place the shalwar with the right side facing you. Flip the belt down onto the top of the shalwar so that both right sides are facing each other. The outer side of the shalwar and the outer side of the belt should be together. Now carefully pin the belt to the top edge of the shalwar, aligning the center and side marks, and then sew all the way around to attach the belt securely. Now take the bottom border pieces and attach the canvas to the wrong side of each one. This will give the bottom structure and help it fall nicely. Next, place the shalwar with the wrong side facing up and position the bottom panel underneath it, just as shown in the video. Align the edges carefully, then sew with a 0.5-inch seam allowance. Once sewn, trim any excess fabric from the seam, then flip the bottom panel upward onto the wrong side of the shalwar. Now fold the bottom edge neatly and top stitch the panel onto the shalwar, first along the seam line and then along the bottom edge to secure it. Top stitch 3 parallel lines across the bottom of the shalwar, each spaced 1 inch apart as shown. This helps hold the canvas in place and gives a clean finish. Now move on to the inseams. Mark the bottom leg opening according to your preference. I have kept mine at 10 inches. Starting from that mark, sew the inseams on both sides of the shalwar from the ankle up to the crotch. After that, it's time to attach the waist elastic. Use a 1 inch wide elastic and for the length, take your waist measurement and subtract 4 inches for a snug fit. Overlap the ends of the elastic and sew them securely together. Next, fold the top edge of the waistband by 0.5 inches and sew the elastic into the fold while gently pulling the elastic to evenly distribute the fabric as you stitch. Finally, top stitch the elastic at the top edge with a 0.25-inch seam and again along the bottom edge to keep it flat and neat. And with that, your Farsi Salwar is complete, pleated, structured and beautifully finished.